Because songs are just like poems, students will be able to analyze the lyrics in many ways. So I have just a few examples here. The first one, I chose the song Starting Over by Chris Stapleton. It's a famous country song, and I chose to analyze it in terms of literary devices and figurative language. So what I did is just highlighted the literary devices or figurative language that I found within the song, and then in parentheses, I put what type of figurative language or literary device was in that line of the song. You can see I did that for the whole song. Students can do this for any song that they choose, and obviously each song is completely different, so they'll be practicing a variety of literary devices and figurative language. Another example would be analyzing songs in terms of theme and meaning. So I used the same song, and down here at the bottom, I just wrote the overall meaning of the song and themes that I found in the song. Once again, students can do this for any type of song that they choose. And the third way I analyzed lyrics is through rhyme scheme. So because songs are poems, they do have a rhyme scheme, and at the end of each line, I wrote the rhyme scheme. This can also prepare students to write their own songs, which we will be doing in the course as well. Another aspect of the course is using technology. So I want to show this software. It is called Soundation. It is a free software program that students can utilize in the course. All they have to do is sign up for an account. I'm already logged in. So they can go into the studio, and when they're in there, they can create their own songs from scratch. So they can start a solo project or collaborate with their classmates, which is great. They can also use any of the thousands of songs that they have already, or they can import their own sounds and songs, and they can create their own music, which can then be exported, and we can write our own lyrics too. This site also offers a lot of tutorials that students can view to help them learn more about it and how to actually use the program, which is great. And there's a lot more on here that students can explore. So overall, bringing together aspects of language, literature, music, and technology will allow students to explore media literacy in a way they've never done so before. Thank you.